Hey guys, welcome back. So today on this video, we are talking about Revolut and Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, does Revolut Visa debit card work in Cash App? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, the short answer is yes, it does, but it doesn't work for all features, so I'm going to go over those with you right now. But why would you wonder if Revolut works on Cash App? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe some of your clients pay you through Revolut, but you like to use your Cash App. Whatever the case is, let me go ahead and open up my Cash App and show you a couple of real world examples of my Revolut working on Cash App. Okay guys, so I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. So one thing I want to let you know is that you do need to have the Revolut Visa debit card in order to use it on Cash App. So I've already added in my Revolut Visa debit card into my Cash App, no problem at all. And actually, I don't even have the physical Revolut Visa debit card. I only have the virtual card. If you need help connecting it, go back and watch my other video that describes that process in exact detail. However, when I went to go use my Revolut Visa debit card, you cannot use the Revolut Visa debit card in order to add cash into your Cash App. So for example, you can say I have $188 in my Cash App. I ran a test transaction for $1 and it was declined because I wanted to increase my Cash App balance from $188 into $189. But let me show you my transaction history right here. Okay, so here are my two test transactions right here for $1 and $1. It says failed. So if you click on the transaction, you can see it is my Revolut Visa debit card for $1 and it failed. All they told me was it was for security reasons. So that could be because I'm traveling, or it could be various other reasons. They don't give you a specific reason. However, I did transfer money and use my Visa debit card as the funding source. So let me go back. So if you're going to use your Revolut Visa debit card with Cash App, you can only use it when you're transferring money from your Cash App to somebody else, like a family or a friend, or you're paying for somebody. And what you're going to do is you're just going to type in, let's say $1, and then you're going to pay right down here. Okay, so if you look right here, this is really an important step. It's automatically going to pull $1 from my Cash App balance. However, you can change that by clicking on cash balance. Okay, after you do that, then you get the option to choose where the money is going to come from. So I would just choose my Revolut Visa debit card. For some reason, it's listed as Metropolitan Commercial Bank. I guess it must be their partner bank with Revolut. So I'll click here. Okay, now you can see here at the top, the $1 is going to come from my Revolut Visa debit card. And then you're just going to use Cash App as you normally would. So you can type in their name or their cash tag and then send the money. And that actually went through no problem at all. Let me go over to my transaction history and show you. Okay, so here is my transaction history on Cash App. So here are the two attempts to add cash into my Cash App. But if you look right here, I sent $1 and it went through no problem at all. There was success at 8:55 a.m. Let me click on the transaction and show you. Okay, so here is the transaction. You can see I sent $1 and the funding source came from Metropolitan Commercial Bank, which again is my Revolut Visa debit card. And it gives you the transaction number along with completed. So there you have it. If you're looking to use your Revolut Visa debit card on Cash App, you can, but for some reason, at least I wasn't able to add cash into my Cash App. I can only use it as a funding source when I am sending money to someone else through Cash App. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering if you can use Revolut on Cash App, the short answer is yes, but only on limited features. If you were able to add cash into your Cash App with your Revolut Visa debit card, leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.